Once upon a time in a sunny forest, there lived a hare who was very proud of his speed. One day, the hare was making fun of a tortoise for being so slow. "You move so slowly, it's a joke. I could beat you in a race any day," laughed the hare. The tortoise replied calmly, "Maybe I move slowly, but I never stop. I challenge you to a race." The hare laughed even more, but agreed. They chose a starting point and a finish line. As soon as the race began, the hare dashed off like the wind and was soon far ahead, looking back and not seeing the tortoise anywhere. The hare thought, he'll take forever to catch up. "I'll rest under this tree for a while." He lay down and quickly fell asleep. Meanwhile, the tortoise kept moving slowly but steadily. He didn't stop. After some time, he quietly passed the sleeping hare and kept going. Eventually, the tortoise reached the finish line. When the hare woke up, he ran as fast as he could, but it was too late. The tortoise had already won the race. And from that day on, the hare never made fun of slowpokes again. Slow and steady wins the race.